Hello, friends. This is C. Naresh Lakhani, and today I'm going to talk about some of the proven tips to sleep better at night. So, it is very commonly heard and discussed that people who work very hard, people who are successful, they don't sleep or they sleep very little. But recently, this theory has been disapproved by many doctors and scientists, and it has now been clinically proven that everybody needs good night's sleep. And good night's sleep, when I talk about, it's not about few hours, it's about 6 to 8 hours sleep every night. And it is important as breathing, exercise, and healthy diet. If you don't maintain healthy diet or exercise or your good night's sleep, you may have long-term repercussions about it, including a heart attack, hormonal imbalance. You may be eating more, increasing risk, disease risk, and it is for everyone, not for children, but for adult as well at the same time. So similar to exercise, less eating or good habit of eating or quality eating, quality sleeping is equally important. And when I talk about quality sleeping and 6 to 8 hours sleep, please remember that means sound sleep. When you are like that, like you are so easy in your sleep that you don't even know what is going around, or at least you don't have broken sleep. Maybe once in a twice, for urinating, but not beyond that. So again, sleep is very, very important for your brain functioning, your analytical ability and how you behave in the daytime. You feel cranky, you feel bad. So, all these things are, take down on you if you don't have good night's sleep. So the first thing which I talk is that please limit your exposure of, your online, material during the night time. So before you sleep, at least half an hour, I would say you switch off your data, your laptops, you don't check your emails, and try to calm down and do things which you can do beyond that. Because there is one is bright light exposure, or it is also called blue light exposure. And that blue light exposure basically can ruin your sleep. It can disrupt your sleep, and it can happen that you may not even get be able to sleep, or you may have insomnia if you cannot sleep properly. And sometimes you check your emails or digital things, and then you realize that something was not done, something is important coming for the next day, which may disrupt you, or may also create a not so happy situation for you. So better avoid all this at least an hour before you sleep. So I usually keep my data off. I also keep my mobile, ringer off, everything when I sleep. So all the applications are off. Another very important thing is that exposure of sunlight during the day. Many researchers have recently proven that if you have good exposure of sunlight during the day, it helps, increase some of the hormones your body and brain needs to sleep in the night. So please make sure that at least you have some exposure of bright day sunlight during the day, at least half an hour, or even actually more, to have your better sleep during the night. Again, the next is that not only you need to make sure that you have blue light less exposure, even TV, all these things are also very important. Please avoid TV, anything which can disturb you and have high exposure of light. Even the light, I would say, during the night you use dim light, so that your brain starts getting ready for the daylight. Then is consume less caffeine, like coffee, or tea. I would say at least from 6 hours to 8 hours before you sleep, you don't take any tea or coffee. Many people have very difficult time when they have coffee which is very strong coffee or strong tea. They basically cannot sleep, their brain gets active. It's basically deactivates your sleep or the hormones for the sleep for some time, but that doesn't mean that you don't need sleep. You still need sleep. You still need quality sleep, but only thing is it suppresses it, and then again, you have your quality of life suppressed, and also you feel irritable. Another is that you avoid long naps during the day. Half an hour nap once in a day or twice in a day is okay. But if you sleep too much during the day, then obviously your body does not need that much in the night. And your hormonal changes, your hormonal improvements, all those are required. The good hormones need to be activated during the night. And again, when you sleep well, your brain's ability to function increases. Try to sleep, at the same time consistently, and scientifically, you are supposed to sleep during the night. By 10 o'clock, you should be at bed. Usually, I'm not saying exceptionally something urgent happens. So that if you have routine, your brain knows, what time to sleep, brain starts relaxing. That time, brain automatically slows down and gives you indication that you have sleep. There are some supplements, many people talk about, many doctors talk about. I am not talking about any of the supplements, but there are, and I'm not going to name them. I believe that at least 90% of the people can improve their sleep if they follow some of the tips I have been talking. Then, eat good vegetables, eat, light food during the night. It is also very, very important to eat light food during the night. It will help you, relax. It helps your body to be easy during the night. Your stomach doesn't have to work that much. If you eat too much, sometimes your body feels awful. Your stomach starts bloating or throwing up. So that definitely makes it difficult for you to sleep. Then another is optimize your bedroom environment. Bedroom environment is that you should have almost zero light in the room. You have nice beddings. I'm not talking about high fancy expensive beddings. Similarly, nice pillows, room temperature. There should be no noise. Furniture and all that should be nice, and have as little as distractions. Like try to be away from traffic or any kind of noise. Also, if you have sometimes long-term health issues, it can also disrupt your sleep. So for that, I would say at least you go and talk to your doctor, what are those issues which are bothering you. Another is room temperature. Room temperature is also very, very important. You have a optimal room temperature. For me, it may be different than yours. For me, for example, it is 28 degree. For you, it may be, 26 degree, 24 degree, whatever. But again, it should not be too cold or too hot. In India, we have another problem, which is mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are also a very, very, big nuisance and annoying. So you make sure that you have something to keep them away. There are so many things like, mosquito repellers, mosquito mats, mosquito repeller, like creams, all those things. So it is all up to you what you need to use. Then don't eat too late in the evening. When you eat too late in the evening, again, your stomach is full and you cannot sleep properly. You feel awful at times. Also, try to relax yourself. Do meditation, deep breathing, and all that. If you can do in the evening, it is very important. Another very important is that try to do your exercises during the day in the morning. If you do too much of exercises in the night, this can also disrupt your sleep. It can, make your hormones or your body more active during the night. And again, if you have serious problems like some health related issues and some pain, some ailment, obviously, some of them can be very serious. My advice is at least go to doctor, and also drink less liquids. Sometimes you drink too much of liquid. Personally, my experience is at least 2 hours before sleeping, I stop taking any kind of liquids so that I have to go less urinate urinate less during the night, because the more you go obviously wake up, the more you feel disturbed. And again, light food is very, very important. And I hope that you can follow these steps. As I mentioned, 90% I'm sure, if you sleep on time, you don't have too much of red light, blue light exposure, you have good sun exposure during the day, you calm down yourself, you make a routine, you eat less during the night, you can certainly have a good night's sleep, and you would really enjoy your sleep and you will feel fresh, healthier during the day. So I hope that you liked my video, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel and also like my videos and comment and share with your friends. Thank you. Good day.